Segmentation is super important part of any CRM system, and because you have thousands of records on your CRM and you want to create different views to manage all these things, so it's easily available. And what I mean by different views is, like, for example, if you have a view of clients who have not contacted you in like 6 months, then those are inactive clients and it creates an inactive clients view. Then there is clients in San Antonio city, for instance, so you have a view for clients in San Antonio city. So to create all this segmentation which makes your CRM more understandable, more easier, that's what we have made the field camps organized feature for. And in this video I'm going to walk you through in detail how you can use this, and we try to keep it standard throughout different modules. So the organized feature is available similarly on invoice, estimates, job, request, every single place. So let's say I want to organize information in my CRM. What I'll do is I'll head over to my clients tab in organize, and then there are a few options here. First one, which is pretty easy to understand, is the filter. I want to filter out for a specific information. Now there are few options. One is, what is the filter? So we can say where, like what is the filter? So we can say where, for instance, we can say stage is inactive client, for instance, or we can say stage is active client. And when you apply it, then all the profiles which have active client status will be filtered out. And what we can do is we can save this information. I'll show you how. Then we can also say that when the stage is active client, and we can say the address contains, for instance, Texas, then it will still filter out the information further. So it will filter out the active clients and people in Texas, and you can create a view for this. So you can use this filter in this way, where you can add that, hey, I am looking for this information and this information, or it satisfies that either one of the conditions, then you will use the OR filter. Then there is sort by. In the sort by, what you can do is, in the sort by, there is basically how you want to sort a particular column. So if I say that I want to sort the first name in ascending order, then you can just sort it by ascending order and it will filter out the names similarly. That part is pretty easy to understand, but over here you can sort it in the column as well. So sort A to Z, sort Z to A, something like that. Then there is group by. Group by is basically where you want to group things together. My favorite is group things together by city, and then it will group all the clients that you have by various cities. And then you can also do things like save this view over here, which I have already done, like group by city is a view which I have shared. Then there is columns, like what columns you want to be visible on your CRM. So you have, let's say, columns, you have company name which you want to be visible. You can just drag and drop the order of it. You want the website to be visible, etc. And you can just apply it, and then it will show that information over here. Because there is no website, it doesn't show it, because I have not entered any website over here. Then there is pagination. So how many records you want to see per page. This is a very custom thing, and it's very small thing. You can either use infinite scrolling, or you can just say 10 records per page. So it will just show you more options to go to next page. And lastly, if you want to add custom properties, then you can add it from here, where you say I want to add a new property. The property type, there are a few types like text, number, etc. Let's take a common example, which is, say if you are like payment type, how is this customer paying you? Then what you can do is payment type as the filter, and select is the property. You can color code it, and then you can say cash, then card, check, and once you do that, you can just say create, and the payment type will be applied. Over here you can just select the payment type, cash card, check, and then basically what you can do is also when you say group by, you can also say payment type and apply, and then however the people have paid you, it will be visible over here. So basically this was a walkthrough about how you can use organize feature to segment your large CRM database. If you have any questions, reach out to us.